Hey guys, how are you all? Yeah, I know it's a hard time going on. It's a hard time for each of one of us living in this whole world, not only in India but also in all over the world. Hope we all are safe. Hope you all are keeping everyone safe and following the rules, procedures, and methods to be safe and to carry on your livelihood. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about tech or something related to smartphones or technology. But apart from keeping everyone safe and being safe in this coronavirus time, it's essential for us to look upon what actually matters, what is the truth, what is the truth behind what we are having right now. So to know the truth, to know what all possible things we can do for our own selves and also for everyone, we have to look over the true things and the things which are actually valuable and which meant to us. So to know this fact, I'm going to talk about in this video some of the myths that are associated with coronavirus, the myths that are linked with technology, and many are using those myths and spreading fake news like this everywhere. And this hurts us, this makes us sad that some of the good people or many of the good people are getting misused or are led to a different wrong path with these following myths. So it's my duty and also your all of yours duty to look at this myth and educate or give the required knowledge to the people, those who actually require to get the right information. Yes, so today in this video I'm going to talk about the myth which is going to be included in the next part of the video. Stay on to the video. Here I am Sagar Kumar Das and you are looking at the channel Tech Vampy, and please do subscribe to my video, that will keep me motivated. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the notification bell to get similar type of videos in the future. So let's dive into the video. It's a serious concern that is going all over the world. It's because of this virus that's affecting, killing lives, and gradually it's getting infected or causing infection to a large number of people. But instead of having or getting a cure or stopping us uh, in getting the virus or helping our own selves, people are spreading fake news and all the wrong stuffs that is actually making it worse. People are getting frightened or they are in a state of fear uselessly, or they are actually non-educated or doesn't know the fact behind the truth. So what are those myths? What are the facts that I'm going to talk about? So the first one is about 5G. 5G and the relation between coronavirus. What is actually the relation between 5G and coronavirus? Many people are claiming some of the facts. So now I'm going to talk about the facts of what the people actually want to show or want to tell, and I'm going to explain you one by one what is the truth or what is the reality behind each of the fact, or you can call the myths. Please, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So first of all, when I would like to include is the first myth, that is about 5G. 5G is actually absorbing all the oxygen from the air. Yes, it is absorbing all the oxygen from the air, and this might lead to a downfall of our mankind, or it may affect our humanity. Is it true? No, it is absolutely not. The first thing that we have to make in our mind and make it clear that 5G works at 60 hertz and it doesn't ever impact the environment. The environment and the oxygen, it's not related with 5G. 5G will never hamper our lives. It will never cause any of such problem which are being told by the people. So there is no link, there is useless, and there is no link between 5G and absorbing or destroying of oxygen. When I will talk about the second myth, that is the second thing which I am going to talk about is 5G is actually helping the virus to spread, or it's actually helping the virus to decrease our immunity or attack our immunity directly or indirectly. Is it true? Is it that 5G is actually affecting our immunity or our uh, living cells? No. If we go into the fact, if we talk about the reality of 5G, yes, 5G is having a higher frequency than most of the other band that we have in our telecom, for example 4G, 3G or 2G. But the frequency of 5G is not that high. It's not higher than that of heat, visible light or microwave. Yeah, it is having, please listen to it carefully. 5G is having a higher frequency. It is higher than 2G, 4G, 3G. The technology is built like that, but it's not higher than our most of the other uh, waves or frequency which a microwave is having, or a heat or visible light. Basically 5G is a ionizing radiation that will not affect our human cells, cause cancer or any of the harm to our human body. So this information is misleading. It's not true that 5G is actually attacking our cells. It is decreasing our immunity, and hence it's helping the virus to get inside our body and infect us in a large scale. No, it's not true. The next thing which is related to 5G is that 5G is claimed to help the virus and is acting as a host for the virus to spread from one part to another. So is it actually helping? Is it actually helping the virus to spread from one part to another? No. Please make it clear that 5G is a frequency, it's a band. It can't help the virus to travel from or to transfer from one part to another. No, it's not. But in UK, you can see over here, it's been relevant. The news has spread in such a way that it caused a massacre in the minds of people. More of the towers in UK has been burned. The 5G towers have been burned. So it, from the example, it is been seen that it has caused a great impact in the minds of people. People are looking this in a different way. They are feeling that it is the truth and they are scared. So we should spread the information. I am spreading the information through this video. If you have any friends, if you have anyone, those who are thinking that 5G is actually the main connection between coronavirus and it, then please share the video with your fellow mates, your loved ones and your friends, so that they get a clear picture of what's actually the truth. Here's the myth is need to be busted. Let's go to the next myth. The next myth is that coronavirus vaccines will be made with nanotechnology microchips. It has been claimed, or it has been told by Bill Gates, that coronavirus microchips will be having nanotechnology microchips. Is it true? Is the news is truth? No, it is not. In India also, if you can remember that during the demonetization, the 2000 rupee notes were claimed to have a microchip in it that will help, like wherever the 2000 rupee note will go, it will give all the information and the data and the GPS exact location, and and if anyone is caught having more 2000 rupees note, then the police will directly catch that person into that exact location. But here the case is not like that. Vaccines are not having the nano chips or the micro nano chips as it is shown in here. Apart from this, in India, if I can say that 5G is um, not at all possible over in this year. It is far away. I have talked also earlier in the video that 5G was much far away. It is in a development stage, it is different. But now in this moment, it's not at all possible. After this thing, this coronavirus disease or spread has occurred, it's been much more impossible to get 5G. So the thinking of 5G and using 5G is a much far away behind. We can't think of 5G right now. If we go to the next myth, that is, some of the people, not some, most of the people are claiming that electronic products or most of the products, as we know, are being imported to India from China. China is the main hub, the electronic hub or the manufacturing unit of most of the products. So people are easily saying that the products are to be banned. Those are not to be used. Most of the products which are being imported from China cannot be used over here in India. Why? Because China was the inventor of COVID-19 or coronavirus. So the electronic products will be having the virus and it will be imported from China to India, and we will get infected with that virus. It can't happen, because if we look into the fact that most of the infection, that is, or the virus, can stay only for 48 hours or till 72 hours. So till the time it's been imported, exported from China, and the goods that comes to India, the packing or anything that goes on, it it will die. It will not stay in that product or the packaging. It will gradually, it will die, it will diminish. So um, it is impossible. In our state, in India, most of the products, most of the cheap products that we use, or as you can say that most of the products that we get in a much lower price is from China. Believe it or not, if you want it or not, but it is made in China. If China or India, anyone, if it blocks or stops the transport or transfer of goods from either of the countries, then India will be affected the most, because it is not possible for Indian companies right now or the economy of India to produce most of the products or the goods. It's not possible, because if you also stop transferring the goods from China or importing the goods from China, then also the main concern, that is the electronic parts, are assembled over there. So the manufacturing is done in China. So either of now or then you will be getting the Chinese products or the Chinese things. It's totally useless. Like you can see over here in a comment which I got, that the people are saying that most of the brands are from Chinese and the Chinese brands should be banned. But when we look at our smartphone brands or the list of smartphones, the top 9 or 10 smartphone companies are from China. So is it good? Is it actually what we can say, that is it good to ban all these companies? Is it possible that all these brands will be stopped in one go and uh, we will stop using Chinese product? No, I don't think so. What do you think? If you have any suggestion, please write in the comments below. most important thing that is now going on is that TikTok. People are saying that if TikTok will be banned, then people in China or the Chinese people who are working for TikTok will get unemployed. So there are thousands and thousands of people who are working for TikTok, and those people will get unemployed, and the economy of China will be affected. Okay, I believed in this, it's okay. But a strong superpower or a unique it's a unique superpower, that is China, that is the king of its own product and doesn't allow the other countries to get business in China. Will that country get affected by TikTok? Do you think that if we ban TikTok, China's economy will be affected? No, it's not at all possible. So if you are thinking of all these things which are stupid, which are not valuable, then please get it out of your mind. Chinese products are not having coronavirus, or we can't ban Chinese products in any way. What we can do is I'm going to talk about right now in the next part of the video. So if we really want to do something for our country, for our for our people, for our own friends, or everyone those who are affected by this all these fake news and myths that is going around, we can just stop spreading all those fake news. There is a one-stop solution. Please stop the spreading of news which we are not sure about, which we actually don't know. If you want to spread, or you want to forward, you want to give any news to anyone in any group or somewhere, please do a research. Please look over the information. Is it true? Is it actually uh, leading, or is it right? Or it will provide a wrong information or a misleading thing. If we find such misleading information or wrong information, then do one thing: report that to the website or anywhere where you are getting that information. For example, if you are getting information in YouTube, Facebook, anywhere, report that thing to that website, to that app, so that it gets reported and it's stopped right away, right there. And the last thing which you can do is that there are many people of the generation of our older generation which believes on these news. Please educate them, try to make them knowledgeable, try to give them the right information. For example, the three myths which I have talked about: 5G and coronavirus, and the coronavirus vaccines having microchips, and the last one, that is the electronic products from China are going to have the coronavirus, and it will be transferred or imported to India. No, please try to give this fact, give this right information to the people, so that they may know that what is right. They may get the fear or the thing that is actually inside them, throw it out and do the right thing. We have to be cautious, we have to get the right information, we have to be literate, and we Indians and everywhere around the world, we have to know the truth. We have to fight coronavirus and COVID-19 in the right way. So by this, I would like to thank you, each and every one of you who is viewing my videos, liking it. And please, if you like my video, then share it with your friends, share it with your family members, and everywhere around the world. Do subscribe to my videos, and uh, click on the bell icon so that you get notified for the future videos. Thank you so much.